In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust measurement units in Stack. Whether you need to switch from imperial to metric units or vice versa, following these steps will ensure a smooth transition for your project management needs. First, make sure you have access to your Stack account. Starting from the Stack login page on your web browser, you'll need to sign in. If you're using Gmail, you can simplify this process by clicking on the Login with Google option that you'll see right on the login screen. This option offers a seamless and quick way to access your account without needing to recall yet another password. Once you're logged into Stack, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here you should see a list of your active projects. Go ahead and click on the project you'd like to work on. Navigating directly to the specific project helps you focus on the adjustments relevant to that particular work, making the process more efficient and tailored to your needs. Inside your project dashboard, look for an option labeled Home and click on it. This is crucial because it takes you to the project settings and overview page, where you'll be able to make the necessary changes to your measurement units. The Home section is like the control center of your project, providing a comprehensive view and access to various project options. Now you'll see an option titled Use Metric Units near the settings of your project. If your project requires measurements in meters, kilograms, or other metric units, simply check this box. By selecting this option, the project automatically updates all relevant measurements to the metric system, ensuring your data aligns perfectly with the international standards used in many parts of the world. It's particularly helpful if you're collaborating with international teams or working on projects outside of the United States. In case you need to switch back to imperial units, don't worry, the process is just as easy. Simply click again on the Use Metric Units checkbox to uncheck it. This action will revert all measurements back to imperial units, such as feet, inches, and pounds, which are commonly used in the United States and a few other countries. Remember, it's important to choose the correct measurement system that matches your team's workflow or your client's preferences to avoid any confusion or errors down the line. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to adjust and toggle between measurement units in Stack. This flexibility not only makes Stack a versatile tool for various projects, but also enhances your ability to manage and collaborate on tasks more effectively. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you streamline your project management tasks within Stack.